There's 104 ways to enjoy a speed run, but one comes along just to end it. So the only real problem with world generation is finding a good nether fortress. Build in
Dream? 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 Well, Dream! Hello, Dream! Where have you been this whole time? You appear to be a horse, Dream. How have you turned into a horse?
This is one that I found. Watch this. This is the parkour jump. You ready?
Okay. Oh my god.
The worm!
Okay, open your mouth.
Okay, that's good. That's good. We need to get we need to find like, hopefully if there's gonna
Go. Oh, make eating food.
That's when the horse dies, and then when you just come up to the horse, it's like, and then it goes, and then it goes.
That's not it. That's terrible.
That's good. And then it goes, and then this is when it's moving. There you go. Other noise. Villager.
Huh?
Okay, good.
A zombie. A zombie growl.
There we go.
Wait, do they make noises?
No, what if you punch it?
Nice.
That's not enough. Chicken? Oh, chicken.
Okay, make a
blaze.
blaze.
What do they sound like? Yeah, I'll be like. Perfect.
How about? Yeah, that's perfect. How about a pig?
A cat? Does a cat meow? It does.
Oh, that was good. That last one was so good.
Building a portal to go to the nether and climbing up a soul sand tower. Nether fortress just doesn't exist.
Hey!
I've searched this whole place for an hour. Exploring nether caves, can't find a single place, don't even know where to go.
It's not over here.
Finding a piglin place, 1000 world saves, soul sand is